Hi, my name is Kayli Dunahoo, and just a little bit about me is I'm obviously an elementary ed major, and I have an emphasis in mathematics. Um, these are just a couple of pictures of me. So a little bit about me. I just barely turned 19 years old, and this is my third semester at BYUI, and I started attending in the fall of 2017. I'm from Pocatello, Idaho, and I've lived there all my life. And I went to high school at Highland, and I was involved in several sports like volleyball, basketball, track and field, and I did a little bit of tennis, so that was really fun. My hobbies include anything musical, like I said, sporty, or family related. I was involved in a show choir for high school, and it was really fun because we put on a couple of musicals every year and we got to have our own dance partners, so I love to do that. And another thing is that I have the best family ever. They are always there to help me with anything I need, and they're just the cutest. So these are some more pictures. So if you look on the very left, that is me and my partner, Trevor, and that was for show choir. And then the picture next to it is a picture of me and my cute roommates, this semester and last semester. And then if you look to the picture with three girls wearing jerseys, that was me on my volleyball team, with two of the other graduating girls. And if you look below it, that was me at graduation. And then the picture to the right of graduation is when my parents dropped me off at college for the first time. That was a little bit sad, but it ended up being good for me. And then the picture above it is me at senior night with my whole family. And that's my brother Tegan on the very right of that picture. And then my mom is to the left of him. And then there's me in the middle. And then to the left is my dad. And to the left of my dad is my sister. And then the cute little girl standing in front of the picture I'm holding is my little sister Cabri. So when we completed the Gregoric learning style delineator, honestly, I wasn't surprised from the results because um, I know that for me, when I learn, hands-on activities are always like the go-to when I'm trying to learn something. I tend to learn from things that I can see and touch physically, so that's why I kind of struggle with some like science classes if we're supposed to like imagine things like with atoms and stuff like that. So my top result was concrete sequential. Why I'm excited for this class, honestly, I think it's very important as a future educator to treat my future students as equals and like understand different cultures and be aware that people come from different places and different backgrounds and have grown up differently. And I think that like in a classroom, rather than feeling limited because of differences in students, I hope to be able to see these as situations and areas that I can grow in a classroom and that I can learn and become better. So that is me.